夏威夷的海盐是真出名的特产，不过其实这项海盐的产业面临着环境污染和气候变迁的挑战。在当地世代传承咧拍盐的20外个家族，即马嘛真拍拼咧维护当地生态环境。
对天顶看落去，这片正大片的盐田，风景正特别。伫咧夏威夷可爱岛西部地区，做圣盐是正重要的传统。当地人相信，圣盐会当清除垃圾，采盐的过程爱照步来。
As I walk in here before I enter this place, I like stopping right before that trail to take off my shoes to get myself ready to enter something like this. So I take a deep breath and take it all in, and I say a little prayer to myself.
先清出一个区域，搁再改分做一个一个，盐田就开始慢慢形成。每年5月到9月开始做盐。当地人所讲的圣盐，其实就是一种夏威夷海盐，真侪游客买来做伴手，若摕来煮料理，气味也袂歹。不过，这种珍贵的海盐，只有可爱岛当地22个家族有资格采集，任何人无经过允准是袂用私自采集。
We want to continue to share the space with everyone. So that's why we were like, okay, no, let's just block so that all the boulders are here, keep the cars here. And over time, we've definitely seen this berm naturally restore itself.
都市开发一个观光产业造成环境的污染，是这片盐田怎么拄到的正大的问题。厝内几落代拢伫咧遮采盐的这款家族，就保护当地生态环境，甲延续传统的责任。
I was always taught to give it away. And when my dad told me it's our responsibility to give it away, those were such powerful words in my soul.
最近气候变迁威胁盐田的生存，海平面上升加混乱的天气，和采盐的工作变得更加困难。真侪当地人即马就在做环境倡议的工作，讲要尽全力保护这片珍贵的土地。公司新闻牛眼编辑。